Bonjour mes amis! Welcome to the Culinary Companion and the world of French cuisine, where flavor reigns supreme and the art of sauce making is revered. Today, we embark on a culinary journey to explore the five mother sauces, the pillars of French gastronomy, the foundation upon which countless dishes are built. These sauces, passed down through generations of chefs, are not mere condiments, but rather the soul of a dish, adding depth, richness, and a touch of magic to every bite. Like a composer with his orchestra, a chef orchestrates a symphony of flavors, and the mother sauces are his most trusted instruments. From the velvety smoothness of a bechamel to the robust complexity of an espagnole, each mother sauce possesses a unique character, a distinct personality that shines through in every dish it graces. Join me as we unlock the secrets of these culinary cornerstones and discover the transformative power of the five mother sauces. Our first stop takes us to the heart of simplicity, the veloute. Don't let its unassuming nature fool you, for within this seemingly basic sauce lies the potential for extraordinary flavor. Veloute, meaning velvety in French, lives up to its name with a texture that is both delicate and luxurious. This mother sauce is born from a simple roux, a mixture of butter and flour, gently cooked to a pale golden hue, then whisked with clear stock, be it chicken, fish, or vegetable. The process begins with melting butter in a pan, followed by adding flour and stirring until the mixture is smooth. The roux is then cooked gently to a pale golden color, with continuous whisking to ensure a smooth consistency. The result is a smooth, light-bodied sauce, a blank canvas upon which a world of flavor can be painted. Imagine a delicate fillet of sole, its subtle flavor enhanced by a silky smooth white wine veloute, or a plate of tender poached chicken bathed in a creamy mushroom veloute. The possibilities are as endless as your imagination. Next, we encounter the versatile bechamel, a sauce so fundamental, so deeply woven into the fabric of French cuisine that it is often called upon in both savory and sweet dishes. Think of bechamel as a blank canvas, ready to be transformed by your culinary creativity. Like the veloute, bechamel begins with a roux. However, this time, the roux is cooked a touch longer, resulting in a richer, more pronounced flavor. Hot milk is then whisked into the roux, creating a luxuriously smooth sauce that coats the palate with a comforting warmth. Bechamel is the foundation of countless classic dishes. Picture a bubbling gratin, its cheesy topping held together by a creamy bechamel or a comforting bowl of macaroni and cheese, its richness stemming from this versatile sauce. Our journey now takes us to the heart of French culinary tradition with the espagnole, a sauce whose history is as rich and complex as its flavor. The espagnole, with its deep brown color and intensely savory taste, is not for the faint of heart. This robust sauce starts with a brown roux, cooked until it develops a deep nutty aroma. Brown stock, typically beef, is then added along with a mirepoix, a mixture of diced carrots, celery, and onions, and a bouquet garni, a fragrant bundle of herbs. The sauce is then simmered for hours, allowing the flavors to meld and deepen, creating a sauce of unparalleled complexity. Imagine a perfectly seared steak, its richness enhanced by a spoonful of espagnole, or a classic beef bourguignon, its depth of flavor attributed to this time-honored sauce. Our culinary adventure now leads us to the vibrant world of sauce tomate, a sauce that celebrates the freshness of tomatoes while showcasing their depth of flavor. This sauce, a cornerstone of Italian cuisine as well, is a testament to the power of simplicity and the magic that happens when quality ingredients shine. Unlike its roux-based counterparts, sauce tomate begins with ripe, flavorful tomatoes cooked down with onions, garlic, and herbs. The sauce is then simmered, allowing the flavors to meld and deepen, creating a sauce that is both bright and comforting. Picture a plate of spaghetti coated in a simple yet flavorful sauce tomate, or a perfectly cooked piece of fish topped with a vibrant tomato sauce bursting with freshness. Finally, we arrive at the pinnacle of sauce making, the elegant and ethereal hollandaise. This sauce, with its velvety texture and rich buttery flavor, is a testament to the art of emulsification, a delicate dance of egg yolks, butter, and lemon juice. Hollandaise is not for the impatient. It requires a steady hand and a keen eye to achieve the perfect emulsion, a harmonious blend of ingredients that creates a sauce so smooth, so luxurious, that it melts in your mouth. Imagine a perfectly poached egg, its yolk oozing onto a bed of smoked salmon, all coated in a silky hollandaise, or picture a plate of tender asparagus. its delicate flavor enhanced by the richness of this classic sauce. Mastering the 5 mother sauces is akin to learning a new language, a language that allows you to communicate through flavor, to express your creativity through the art of cooking. It is a journey of patience, practice, and passion, one that will undoubtedly elevate your culinary game and open up a world of possibilities in the kitchen. Imagine the satisfaction of transforming simple ingredients into culinary masterpieces, of creating dishes that are not only delicious, but also visually stunning and deeply satisfying. This is the power of the mother sauces, the ability to elevate the ordinary to the extraordinary. So, embrace the challenge, my friends, and embark on this culinary adventure. With each sauce you master, you add another tool to your culinary arsenal, another brushstroke to your culinary canvas. Once you've mastered the 5 mother sauces, a whole new world of culinary possibilities opens up, the world of derivative sauces. These child sauces, as they are often called, are born from the mother sauces, inheriting their character and complexity while taking on new personalities of their own. Take, for instance, the bechamel. Add grated cheese, and you have a Mornay sauce perfect for blanketing vegetables or enriching macaroni and cheese. Or consider the veloute. Add a splash of cream and a squeeze of lemon juice, and you have a supreme sauce ideal for accompanying poultry or fish. The possibilities are endless, limited only by your imagination. Experiment, explore, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. After all, that's how we learn and grow as cooks. The versatility of the mother sauces extends beyond the stovetop. They are equally at home in the oven, adding depth and complexity to baked dishes. Imagine a creamy gratin, its cheesy topping brought together by a bechamel, or a comforting lasagna, its layers of pasta and filling intertwined with a rich bolognese, a derivative of the sauce tomate. These sauces can also be used to elevate simple roasted vegetables, adding a touch of elegance to an otherwise ordinary dish. The key is to think beyond the traditional and to explore the endless possibilities that the mother sauces offer. So, the next time you're looking to add a touch of French flair to your cooking, reach for one of the mother sauces. You'll be amazed at the transformative power of these culinary cornerstones. Mastering the art of sauce making, like any culinary skill, requires patience, practice, and a few insider tips. Here are a few secrets from a French chef's notebook to help you on your culinary journey. Patience is key. Don't rush the process. Allow your roux to cook to the proper color and simmer your sauces gently to develop their full flavor. Taste as you go. Tasting is crucial at every stage of the cooking process. Adjust seasoning as needed to achieve the perfect balance of flavors. The right tools matter. Invest in a good whisk and a heavy-bottomed saucepan to ensure even cooking and prevent scorching. Don't be afraid to experiment. Once you've mastered the basics, don't be afraid to experiment with different flavors and ingredients to create your own signature sauces. The 5 mother sauces are more than just recipes. They are a culinary inheritance passed down through generations of chefs, each adding their own personal touch, their own interpretation to these timeless classics. They represent the foundation of French cuisine, a culinary legacy that continues to inspire and influence chefs around the world. By understanding the principles behind these sauces, by mastering their techniques, we become part of this rich culinary history, carrying on the tradition, honoring the past while adding our own chapter to the ever-evolving story of food. So, let us continue to explore, to experiment, and to share our passion for food, for it is through these acts that the legacy of the mother sauces and the art of French cuisine will continue to thrive for generations to come. As we conclude our culinary journey through the world of French mother sauces, let us remember that the true beauty of cooking lies not just in the final product, but also in the journey itself. It's about the joy of transforming simple ingredients into something extraordinary, the satisfaction of creating a dish that nourishes both body and soul. So embrace the art of French cuisine, one sauce at a time, and discover the endless possibilities that await you in the kitchen. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Bon appétit!